How do pesticides and herbicides harm non-target species? Imagine walking through a lush field and seeing insects, birds, and plants thriving. Now picture chemicals sprayed to kill weeds or pests. What happens to everything else? Pesticides and herbicides are made to target specific pests or unwanted plants, but they often affect other creatures too. These chemicals can harm beneficial insects like bees and butterflies that help pollinate crops. When these pollinators decline, it can slow down plant reproduction and reduce food production. Herbicides work by blocking enzymes that plants need to grow. When non-target plants are exposed, they can become stunted, turn yellow, or die. This reduces plant diversity and disrupts habitats for animals that depend on those plants. Insecticides, especially those called neonicotinoids, interfere with insects' nervous systems. This can cause insects to become disoriented, less able to find food, or even die. Amphibians like frogs and salamanders are also at risk because their skin absorbs chemicals easily, leading to health problems or death. These chemicals don't stay only where they are sprayed. They can linger in soil, water, and plants for weeks or even months. Residual herbicides can remain as active in the environment, increasing the chance that non-target species will be affected long after application. Even tiny amounts of pesticides can cause reproductive issues or slow growth in animals and plants. When many chemicals combine, their harmful effects can add up, making the problem worse. Insects that help control pests naturally or pollinate crops are especially vulnerable. When these beneficial insects decline, farmers might need to use more chemicals, creating a cycle that harms the environment even more. Runoff from fields can carry pesticides into nearby lakes and streams, affecting fish, aquatic insects, and other wildlife. This contamination reduces biodiversity in aquatic ecosystems and can threaten entire food chains. For farmland investment and sustainable agriculture, these impacts matter a lot. Loss of beneficial species and soil health can lower crop yields over time. It can also increase costs because farmers might need to use more chemicals to get the same results. Protecting biodiversity and reducing chemical harm helps keep farmland productive and healthy for future generations. In short, pesticides and herbicides harm non-target species by disrupting their biological processes, causing toxicity and changing behaviors. Their widespread use can threaten the balance of ecosystems, which are vital for sustainable farming and environmental health. Understanding this helps us make smarter choices about chemical use and promotes farming practices that protect our natural world.